So guys, my name is Anamika Mesra, and guys, today's topic is what is doctype in HTML. So you must know कि we are learning HTML deeply, very deeply, and we will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, jQuery, everything, each and everything. But before we have to learn HTML very deeply. Okay, so question is what is doctype in HTML, guys? So doctype it is a version of HTML5, and doctype is nothing but a version of HTML5, and it gives the instruction to the web browser what version of the markup language the web page is written. Okay guys, so next question is necessary to write a doctype? So guys, yes, it's necessary to write a doctype, but your content will be display if you not write a doctype, but I advise must write. So is doctype is case sensitive? So guys, no, doctype is not a case sensitive. If you write capital D or small d, your code will be display. Okay guys, your code will be display. But I advise ki write all every character in a small in HTML. Can we fourth question, guys, can we write a doctype in anywhere in a document? No guys, no. You can't write anywhere in doctype in anywhere in your document, because doctype is written in the uppermost of the document. Okay guys, so next question, why we write doctype? So guys, next same we write a doctype because it tells the browser which type of version we are using of HTML. So like this we are write a HTML doc. Okay, I am doctype exclamatory mark, and then doctype HTML, then head. So later we will discuss about what is head tag and what is head tag, title tag, why we write title tag, it is necessary, what is body tag. So we will in next video we will talk about this. Okay guys, thank you so much.